Welcome to Happy School Online for Mandarin Learning. This video is specifically designed to help our students to study Mandarin Chinese in a structured and systematical manner. Through watching the video, it enables our students to learn and master Chinese grammar easily and effectively as well. In this lesson, we teach you how to demonstrate to use ordinal numbers in Chinese. Ordinal numbers are used in many daily life scenarios such as champion, the second place, the third place, row order, position in a queue. So, how we express these in Chinese? Let's start to use ordinal numbers. In general, to make a number ordinal, we add
第
before the number. For example,
第一、第二、第三、第四、第五、第六、第七、第八、第九。
apart from adding
第
before the number. Ordinal numbers require a measure word with a noun. Let's see some examples.
第一名、第二名、第三名、第一排、第二排、第三排、第四排。第四本书。第二只鸡蛋。
In addition, ordinal numbers also regularly occur with frequency, time and unit measures as follows.
第一天、第二周、第三课、第四次。
That's all for our today's video. If you are interested in our lesson, please visit our website, www.happyschoolonline.com.